Tensions are high in Minneapolis after someone fired at National Guard members. The Guard says officers were helping police when a white SUV rolled up and someone fired off shots. No one was seriously hurt, but one Guard member had to be taken to the hospital after being cut by shattered glass. The shooting comes just a day before the closing arguments are set to begin in Derek Chauvin's trial. CBS 46's Melissa Stern joins us now. And Melissa, this trial has Fulton County leaders looking to improve the community's relationship with law enforcement.
Well, Zach, George Floyd's death last year sparked protests across the country and here in Atlanta. That's why local leaders want to hold conversations to raise awareness and educate the community.
That's the diversity.
The Buckhead Cascade City chapter of the Lynx joined forces with the National Organization of Black Law Enforcement Executives.
The community, especially the Black and brown community, we need to be proactive.
They're presenting Peace, Police Engagement and Community Education, a program where panelists will participate in candid conversations about police engagement in communities of color.
It's about excessive use of force on marginalized minorities, especially Black people, where I see them doing things that they don't do to our white brothers and sisters.
In 2021, a Georgia legislator introduced a bill to instruct drivers on how to interact with officers during a traffic stop.
So what we're trying to do basically is to tell them the basics of what they need to do when they're stopped. But more importantly, we're trying to do more civic engagement. We're trying to let them know how we're trying to work on the laws.
Other leaders cited a need to increase knowledge of driver rights when engaging officers.
We're in crisis mode when it comes to these unarmed killings. We really have to do more than march. We really have to do more than feel bad and be a hashtag.
The DeKalb County Police Chief says their department is working on being more transparent.
One of the biggest things that we've been doing is communicating. Open lines of communication, dialogue, and interaction. Trying to get away from the us versus them. We're in this together, and we need to work at solving our problems together.
The ultimate goal is to promote understanding and reduce police violence impacting marginalized communities. Many of the leaders that I spoke to say the first step is acknowledging that there is a problem and then finding a solution. Reporting live in Atlanta, I'm Melissa Stern, CBS 46 News.